morning. Yeah, it's good morning, guys. Guys, it is 6:30 in the morning, and our train ride is still continues, and everybody looks exhausted, to be honest. And just taking a video. Look at this cute kid. It's another washroom, so you have one at a time is here. You have another one is there, but
this is for residents, disabled, senior citizen or something like that. You see police, some police.
I don't know if we're allowed to go.
No, we don't allow to go there. Good morning, guys.
Are you happy with the situation? You can see that basically we are riding a train all the way from Bangkok to Chiang Mai.
It's not the worst one, huh? Yeah, guys. It's not the worst one.
This is not the worst one?
No, I think no. Now it's getting better landscape.
For me, that, to be honest, I've never experienced such a thing before.
It's my first time also.
So I wanted to show you the other side, as you can see, but it's not allowed to. There is a signs here. It's not allowed to basically walk the other side. I mean, it's kind of dangerous, but I don't know what it can be more dangerous than this. Kind of to be honest. Here we have the guard, which is there's a good thing that I can see all the train, more than 2-3 police, which is keep walking. I mean, I can see them literally every 1 hour, like taking a walk. I can say take a patrol. So we got each cabin has a one washroom. Tell me your experience. How is it so far?
About train?
About the train, yeah.
Guys, train is, I cannot tell you it's clean. Like, 10 of 5? Let's say 5
out of 10?
I give 5 points.
How about you?
This train for me it's like 5 also, yeah. 5.
Right?
5. I'd say 5.
So
how about you?
You wanna hurt? For me, it's 2 out of maximum 2 out of 10. For one for washroom, one for sitting. That's it. Bro, I've never had this experience before. That's why. But it's actually cooler.
Yeah, I like it actually. You get the experience.
Look at inside.
Oh, now it's
Actually, now is a low. You know, it was more busier. So there was 3 different train. Sleeping train and the way better sleeper train, like with the service and everything. Then this one was the worst one. It's a $10 train. Because the more you pay, more you travel good. It's always like this. We wanted to take this one to experience how is it. So far, I can tell you, super tired. Look at Michel, look at his face. Look at his face.
Oh my god.
And this is washroom, guys.
But the,
And it smells very bad. I was almost vomiting.
Smell-
Almost.
It smelled tropical.
but the person make the worst design ever, bro. They make it so short. I make this on paper.
Coffee?
Coffee express, coffee in
Tea,
the train.
coffee, guys.
Want coffee? Are you sure?
No sugar? Mr. Dogan,
No, never
your morning
sugar.
coffee, right?
The morning coffee in the Alps. Hey, but it tastes
But
good,
see,
huh?
look at the solution, how she figure out to serve the coffee. Wait, you will see, she packed in the small plastic bag to instant coffee.
No sugar.
Yeah, couple times.
But it smells
Misha?
good, huh?
Mr. Misha.
Mr. Misha. Dosici.
Switch. Şifan doğru.
Kendimi yıkadım amına koyayım.
Coffee?
Kadın benim için tişü istedi bak görüyor musun? Kapunka. Allah razı olsun.
Thank you.
So are you guys vloggers?
170.
140.
I have money but I don't have.
Oh,
Do you have
how
tissue? Tissue. It's
You take 3, right?
Sorry, no tissue.
3 coffee?
How much?
40, right? 120. Yeah. Ah,
Thank you.
thank you. Kapunka.
Kapunka abla. Very kapunka. Man, I
Evet
burn.
arkadaşlar. Yeah guys, one
I
day
burn
if you
myself.
come
Allah razı olsun. Thank you very much.
glass train, you can
Thank
drink
you
your
very
coffee
much.
like that. I'm raising my glass to you guys.
Okay, cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers. So, guys, why you didn't take it?
Yeah, you guys, right?
Have this plastic one to.
What you put inside? Look at the glass. Black.
So are you guys doing vlogging or something?
What?
Are you guys doing vlogging or something?
Actually,
I'm doing vlogging.
Doğan, this handsome guy, is into YouTube and vlog.
Super handsome guy, huh?
No, just handsome, no super.
Big difference. Big difference.
Just handsome, no super.
Are you also traveling?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah. Along with our neighbor. You guys know each other or no, right? Okay. Easy. The men's easy to make a friendship. So for us.
Easier than women.
That's why I prefer traveling solo. We can make a lot of friends if we're traveling solo.
It's good.
Are you working?
Yeah. I work in Foxconn International in China.
China? İşler? Are you
Okay, one second. Hey guys, here we have the one passenger basically that she's been traveling very quiet right next to me. She's been traveling all this way and we never chat, we never even say, just we respect each other's space. And since I'm started recording, I see she's smiling. I want to show you guys. Say hi. What's your name?
After 2 hours.
Sada.
My name is Da.
Your name is Da. Oh, how old are you? How old are you? Da, how big are you? I don't know how to say. How big are you? You are traveling alone, so it is your age. How good with you? You enjoy? It's okay. It's okay. You enjoying the view? You're enjoying the view? It's nice. The view is nice. Oh, good. You're from Thailand? Okay. Oh, good. Then I will not bother you much. I feel like you're shy, so it's fine.
I come,
Okay, bye bye. Okay, guys, I will be seeing you in Chiang Mai after 3.5 hours. So we try to sleep. Guys, we just arrived Chiang Mai. It was 13 hours, man. Never ending road was. Look at this, guys. Exhausted.
You check the seats if you forget something.
Oh.
We just come.
No, I didn't forget something. I'm sure I am. Have you?
I don't think so. Who knows?
Where's your bag? Because you forget all the time.
Tiền đấy, thế nào? Opa.
New dancer unlocked.
À, có vô. À.
So, let him.
À, show please.
Deli pazarı de. So now, time to discover Chiang Mai. So now we're gonna take. I see you in the next video, guys. See you next time. Ciao. No, we paid.